Welcome.
So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this entire video is shot on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. I just want to show you guys the 8K vlog test, just to show you guys the quality. Is 8K worth the hype? So if you guys want to switch on 8K, feel free to experience the best quality possible. But anyway, due to the outbreak going on, originally I was supposed to go to New York City to see the vessel, and that would be the 8K test right there. So what I decided to do today for this 8K vlog test, I wanted to just take some Coca-Colas and put some Mentos in it and see what it's gonna do. It's my first time experiencing that, so I'm curious to see how it's gonna affect. So sit back and enjoy. And so far, how's the quality? Let me know down in the comments down below. Is it good? And the thing is, I'm using a rear camera because the front-facing camera cannot shoot in 8K. So I just want to keep this very, very cohesive. I want to keep it organized. So I'm going to be using the rear for this entire video too as well. And also, how's the audio too? The audio plays a huge role. I'm not going to do any color correction on this video. I am going to do like some edits, like in terms of like cutting this, cutting that. Just going to be cut, and then that's it. Now, before I even get started with the Mentos versus Coca-Cola challenge, make sure you guys subscribe with notifications on and drop a like on this video. Help me out a bunch. What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to pour all of the Coca-Colas into this container. So all of it is going to go in here into a little chamber. Then again, I'm not sure how it's gonna work. All right, in the second thought, let's just do one bottle at a time. So we're just gonna take the Coca-Cola and then put the Mentos right in there. 2 Mentos in there. You know what? We're gonna put the whole thing in there. All right, so 4 Mentos. Let's go. Look at that sucker go. Yo. Wow. Yo, it's so much cooler seeing it in real life. All right, let me see if I put a little bit more in there. Still kind of bubbling up a little bit. I think it's over. This bottle is done. I'm going to take another Coca-Cola bottle and I'm going to do the same thing just to get slow-mo, get more shots. So it's a good thing I brought more Coca-Cola. So that was interesting. Let me get a different angle. And by the way, I'm sorry for the grass. It's kind of messed up on the side, but that's besides the point. Got another set of Mentos here, and we're gonna do it again. I'm gonna put the whole thing this time, for real. All right. It's kind of hard to do it because it's actually going up as I'm putting them in. So, so I got like about a lot of it in there. So that's a good amount. Wow, I should do it. Yo. All right, yo, that is just insane. So this is how it look on the bottom. And after that, the bottle is done. That's it. I guess you can drink it, but now you're gonna have the peppermint Mentos on the bottom, kind of far back. So I'm gonna go over there. I'm gonna put some Mentos on both of them at the same time, and we're gonna see them just go off together. even drink it. I don't taste the difference. All right, for this last bottle, I'm just gonna do a real close up so you guys can see right here. This phone is water resistant, so I don't have to worry about it getting wet, although it's gonna feel a little sticky, but it is what it is. I can wash it off. So I wonder, why did I fail the last time? Was it because I had 2? Was it enough? So yeah, we're gonna go all out on this one. All right, fire in the hole. That's 3. I already put it in there. Oh, I didn't even want to put it in there. That was my last bottle. I just wasted 5 Coca-Colas. A fun little experiment, just staying home from the whole outbreak. Just wanted to share with you guys an 8K test on the S20. I wanted to go to the vessel in New York City, but I think this is just as interesting though, because I've never seen anything like this. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, make sure you guys thumbs up, subscribe if you're new on here with notifications on. That is the Coca-Cola versus Mentos experiment. I had a lot of fun on this one. I'm definitely going to do it again. It is having a little trouble focusing. Like my hand right here is not focusing really properly. But I wanted to do the outro. In part 2, I'm going to fill this entire jug with Coca-Cola and Mentos. Stay tuned. This is going to be interesting. I was going to do it, but it wasn't enough Coca-Colas, and I didn't want this to be a fail. I have super steady off. I have everything off. It just turn on 8K, and then that's it. Alright guys, I'm about to be up out of here. Peace.